Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia for beginners and create your first AI video step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Sign in to your account or create a new account if you're using Synthesia for the first time. After logging in, you'll see the Synthesia dashboard. This is where you can create new videos, manage your existing projects, and access the available video creation tools. To start your first project, create a new video. You can choose from available templates or start with a blank project. For beginners, a template can make the process easier. Next, select an AI avatar for your video. Browse through the available presenters and choose one that matches your topic and audience. Now enter your script into the editor. Write clear and simple sentences so the AI presenter can deliver the information naturally. After adding your script, choose an AI voice and select the language you want to use. Preview the available voices and choose one that fits your content. Now customize your video by changing the background, adding text, images, shapes, and other visual elements. You can also create multiple scenes to organize different parts of your presentation. Once your video is ready, use the preview option to watch the entire project. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, and visual layout. If you find any mistakes, return to the editor and make the necessary changes.
Welcome to our
Review the
interactive
video
quiz
again
template.
until everything looks correct.
Start the video
When
with
you're
a clear
satisfied
title
with the result,
and a verbal
generate
explanation.
the video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. After the video is ready, watch the final version from beginning to end and make sure the presentation is clear and professional. Finally, export the completed video using the available options. And that's how beginners can get started with Synthesia and create their first professional AI video.